your shoes on, ready to go. Leo says, let's learn it slow. Emma smiles, come follow me. Tying laces is easy peasy. Cross the laces, make an X. Pull them tight, what comes next? Hold it firm, don't let it loose. That starts to tie your shoes. Go loop just like a bunny. Funny ears look oh so funny. Hold it tight and don't let go. We're learning fast, let's go, go, go. Wrap it around, nice and neat. Pull it through, now that's sweet. 2 loops, now give a tug. Nice and tight, just like a hug. Jump and run, your shoes won't fall. You can play and have a ball. The puppy runs, the bunny hops. Strong, tight shoes just never stops. Now we know just what to do. We can tie our laces. Leo and Emma shout hooray. Let's tie our shoes every day. Thank you for watching. We had so much fun. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Wave goodbye.